These muffins have been a staple in my life and my clients for years because A, they're delicious, B, they're super simple, C, as a nutritionist, so many nutrients. So first we have carrots and a zucchini. Put them in the blender, and they have vitamin A, essential for skin healing, vitamin C, lots of fiber to support your microbiome and your gut and your immune system. Next, we have banana as a sweetener, lots of potassium, eggs, protein, choline, macadamia oil, which has monounsaturated fats, nice and balanced there. Next, we have nut butter. So I use macadamia because it's easy to get here, but you can use any sort of nut. And then I use oat milk. You can use any sort of milk substitute, and vanilla. Then as the flour, coconut. And then we have shredded coconut as well, baking soda powder. And then just as a crunch and as a sweetener, I used pecans. You can use any sort of a nut here, and then cranberries, but you could use raisins or you could use any sort of berries. So delicious, super simple. You can have it in the morning, you can have it as a snack. Recommend trying this.